As part of plans to reduce learning loss due to Hurricane Melissa, the Education Ministry's Host School initiative is bearing fruit. Portfolio Minister Dr. Dana Morris-Dixon gave an update at Friday's sitting of the Senate.
To ensure learning does not come to a halt for the thousands of children in the severely damaged schools, we have activated a host school modality. This is a temporary arrangement where a student from a non-operational school continues learning in another institution for a defined period of time. Students, nevertheless, remain anchored to their home institution, so we're not doing a transfer. So it's a host period, so you're going to go there for a period of time.
Dr. Morris-Dixon said roughly 791 schools have resumed operations. Temporary sites are also being explored to house students whose schools were damaged by the hurricane.
Already we have received some solutions from the international donor community, and those will be deployed in short order. Mr. President, UNICEF is here, and they have been a significant partner in our education response. Already, they have come to the table with essential supplies to facilitate the resumption of teaching and learning. They have given us some specialized tents that will be deployed. I think we've started with 10. They have over 60 more on their way to Jamaica. So we will be making use of those across the education system.